All right, guys, so taking a look at the charts, you guys can see here that I actually have a falling wedge laid out here. So if you guys follow me on Twitter, I actually posted it over there. But right now we are inside of a falling wedge, and these next couple hours are super crucial for Ethereum Classic because we need to see what is going to happen in terms of Ethereum Classic breaking out or breaking down out of this falling wedge. As you can see right now, as I'm making this video, it is actually pretty close to breaking downwards. However, if it does briefly come out, I'm not concerned. It did at about, it did a little earlier today. It broke down, but it didn't close on the hourly candles outside of it, so that doesn't really get me too concerned. But yeah, so if we do see a break up in the upwards area, then I have a price prediction laid out right here at around $72. Now, if we do actually break to the downside, which I really do not think is going to happen, but we might see a little recorrection, which I'm not too worried about. If that does happen, then we can see a price prediction. I'm going to have a price prediction of around, about $67, right around $67. I think we'll see a little resistance at the $67 mark, and then we could see a bounce up. So I'm not too worried if we do go down to $67. The main thing we got to be considering is that we're just following the price of Ethereum right now. I'm sure all of you know this, but yeah, we're looking at Ethereum Classic right now, so we're pretty much just following Ethereum. So as you guys see here, Ethereum is actually in a falling wedge as well, hence why Ethereum Classic is, and it's also about to break out or break to the downside, just like Ethereum Classic. So if Ethereum breaks to the downside, then we could see Ethereum going down to about this $3,700 range and having a little resistance down there. But if it breaks the upside, we could see about a $4,000 Ethereum. And if that does happen, whichever way it does go, Ethereum Classic is going to follow, unfortunately. So if we break to the downside, like I said, about $67, upside, we're going to be seeing about $72. Now, if we do go up to $72 and we do start actually going past it, and we're not hitting resistance up here, then I can have a price prediction of around $74, $75. As you guys can see down here, I actually saw this that we actually were in a falling wedge about just starting this little move that Ethereum and Ethereum Classic have been making. It actually, as you can see here, we had a little we had a pull, and then we had this little wedge. So this wedge actually broke to the upside, as you can see here, and then this kind of started a pretty big gain. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Oh god, pretty big gain. And then let's see how much, we had about a 10% gain just off that. So just based on that, we could see if we do break to the upside in the next day or so, we could see an actual 10% gain, which a 10% gain from at least say down here, we'd be all the way up around $74, $75, which would be, pretty damn good. One more thing I want to mention is that a falling wedge is a bullish pattern. I don't know if you guys knew this already, but a falling wedge is considered a bullish pattern. However, it can break to the downside and can, become bearish, but typically it is bullish, especially after a little bit of a move. You'll have a little falling wedge just to for all the, the bears selling off, and then, it'll hit a lower price, and then we can see a skyrocket just from there once it breaks out. If I were you guys, I would just keep your eye on this falling wedge and just, see which way it breaks. If it breaks downwards, and, like I said, start expecting that $67 price prediction. And if we break to the upside, then I would start getting a little excited, because then I know we could see about a $72 price prediction, and, even further if we break that resistance line. But like I said earlier, guys, we just need to keep looking at Ethereum. I know it sucks just following Ethereum and Ethereum Classic just mimicking that. But until, we have that big move that Ethereum Classic should make in the next couple weeks, we're just going to be following Ethereum until then. So we really just got to be rooting for Ethereum. As, if Ethereum does well, we'll do well. So that's the main thing, is just keep an eye on Ethereum, keep rooting for it, and make sure it's staying up in price. So another cool thing that we got to take a look at about Ethereum Classic is that actually, I think yesterday we had a very high trading volume for Ethereum Classic. As you can see right here from this little chart, Ethereum Classic was actually ranked number 4 in trading volume, which is, pretty impressive considering, it has 20th in the market cap, but, it's up here at 4th in trading volume. This one has it number 23 in the market cap. And we're beating out coins like Cardano, XRP, Binance Coin, or Binance USD, sorry. You know, it's always good to see Ethereum Classic having some high trading volume. That just shows that people are actually using the coin and are just constantly moving it around, which is, you know, good for the coin, which can honestly help the price in the near future. Another thing that I wanted to take a look at was actually a kind of the same thing, but this is just kind of a graphic. This one kind of has it a little differently. Has Ethereum Classic at number 3 in the biggest one-day volume, trading volume, which is, again, pretty impressive, beating out Solana, Cardano, which is, again, 2 big coins that were just, you know, blowing out, which, I mean, and also these coins, you know, Cardano, Solana, I mean, Solana recently just passed Ethereum Classic in market cap. However, we are still, you know, out trading it in volume. So yeah, that's one thing I think that's good for Ethereum Classic that I just wanted to touch on. And if you guys aren't already, please follow me on Twitter, as on Twitter, you guys are going to get live updates of my trades and, you know, just price predictions. As you can see right here, I actually made a tweet, you know, saying how I saw this falling wedge forming, and, you know, that we could have a breakout soon. So if you guys want to keep up with all the Ethereum Classic updates and, you know when my videos go out, this is the place to see at Marked Crypto. So yeah, go over there and keep up with all the latest crypto analysis. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Just a little short analysis about this falling wedge that I noticed. Like I said, just keep an eye on this. We'll see where it breaks. As you can see right now, it looks like it's going to break to the downside. But, you know, I'm still hopeful we can see a little turnaround and we can break to the upside. So yeah, just keep an eye on this. Think about these price predictions, around $67 on the downside out of this wedge, about $72 if we flip to the upside. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you guys can keep up with all the latest Ethereum Classic price predictions. And with that, guys, I'll see you all in the next one.